Once again, this isn't a paid advertisement or anything like that. They just want us to do a simple, honest review. So sent it in the bag, which is fine. Everything else they sent to us when Justin did his review came in a box because his was obviously a lot larger. They sent this real fast to us in a nice quality box, oEdRo. In the bag, LEDs. No instructions, because if you need instructions on how to install a fog light, you need to look at a video on how to install fog lights. This isn't an how-to fog light install. It's just a review on the packaging and quality of oEdRo itself. The great thing about LEDs, you don't have to worry about, oh, I got a side-by-side of the stock housings from this, because I mean, this is just a phenomenal build quality. It's got the gasket in there to keep the moisture out. It's lightweight still, but it's solid. No exposed wires, and this is just plug and play. It's what you always want. If you're running HIDs or anything, you have to deal with ballast and all that stuff, and it's just old now. It's outdated technology. You just don't need that. You just want plug and play, not plug and pray. So we're going to do all this live. I already unscrewed the fog light housing, so to pull it out, it's already out and ready for the older stock bulb, the 880 bulb, to be removed real fast. But before I remove it, I'll show you that it was working. The fog light unedited. Take this out. Remember how you say you got to use the gloves on these? Don't touch these. Prematurely burn out. Break my finger. And that's the difference between your stock one. Stock 8 is out here. And that's why I'm not mad at my neighbor for mowing his yard at almost 9 o'clock at night, because he's like, it's too hot. So let's just plug this one in. There, snap. Spins in. Put it back in the housing. Oh my goodness. How much brighter that is. And pan over to my right side and over here to the driver's side fog light. It's a day and night difference. Very happy. That looks as bright as my headlights were. So